In this video, I want to share with you lessons on body language that will teach you to become more attractive or appear more attractive. And this is not just things to do, it's things that I think are overrated that people say that they think makes them attractive. For instance, one of them is standing tall, and this works. This is great. This is a great thing. Shoulders back, having a good posture is, a commanding and attractive thing. It builds some sort of aura around you. But this works for certain people. It's not for everybody. Usually it's good with a good physique. It's good with somebody who is, maybe not even on the taller side and is trying to get that couple inches. But if you're like 6'10", you don't have to do this. And the thing is, it's better for your posture and all like that, but it's not what's gonna be the main attractor thing to you. Okay, so standing tall, just having a good posture, you don't have to be puffing your chest out. There's nothing attractive about trying to be a gorilla or being like that. Being attractive means you're relaxed, means you're calm, means you're comfortable in your own skin. And you know what? You might have been in the military and that's how you stand tall and that's how it is. So maybe that is what an attractive thing. Because if so long as you're fully embodying yourself, your authentic self, then you are being attractive. So standing tall could go either way. Having a good posture is something you should always strive for anyways. The next is eye contact. I want you, whenever you're having a conversation with somebody, and it doesn't have to be the entire time, but I want you to have eye contact. I want you to look into their eyes, into the person you're talking to, guy, girl, romantic partner, friend, family. Just look into their eyes, look deeply into their eyes, and listen and be like, oh yeah. And really don't focus so much about the eye contact. Focus on listening to what they're saying while holding the eye contact. Holding the eye contact is extremely magnetic, and it kind of puts people off. It doesn't always work with everybody. But if somebody matches your eye contact, that's a good sign that you're attracting the other person as well. So if you're trying to attract someone, then hold that eye contact, hold that closeness to that person. It's intimate, it's hard, but it's doable and you can learn it. So eye contact while listening to the other person. And then, once you're in conversation, you can kind of just like talk back and forth and be more casual and relaxed about it. But eye contact is very powerful. Next is being able to smile without having to show your teeth all the time. I love to smile and I smile all the time, but I do some dumb smiles. Like when you're passing somebody by on a hike and you're just like, you do this small smile, like a half smile, like you're just like, oh yeah, I'm up here, you're up here, cool, whatever. Something we can relate about. But a really good smile to have is one where you don't need to show your teeth. So something like this, just like that. Does it look stupid? Doesn't really matter, but it expresses positivity. Optimism is far more attractive than some negative energy or aura that is around some people. People want to be around people who are interesting, fun, light, playful, and excited about life and optimistic about life, because life is good. It's short, it's long, it's whatever you want it to be. And so when you're around people that are smiling all the time, that have the wrinkles near their eyes where they've been smiling a lot, or they have laugh lines, those are the people you want to be around. So practicing your smile even in the mirror, just like a small smile, is really helpful. And I want that to be your baseline, basically. Like somebody's looking around, just any stranger, you just like, hey, give them a nod. That's all you got to do. It's super simple. And then, as you get more comfortable, then you can show your teeth more. I think showing your teeth and just being a smiley person is a really nice thing. And I'm attracted to when people are smiling towards me. I want to have a conversation with them. I don't know them at all, but because they're friendly looking, that makes me want to open up a conversation with them and say, hey, how they're doing. And yeah, that's basically it. So learn how to smile without your teeth. As you build up your confidence, smile more and really show it, express your emotions. The next thing is, I want you to kind of take up as much room as you can, and not in like a mad spreading way where your legs are up. I'm wearing shorts, by the way, just got to confirm that. I wasn't just flashing the camera, but basically just like taking up more room. Like if you're chilling somewhere, you can kind of lay back, you can spread your arms out, and it's not so much to be like, oh, this is like some alpha posture or something like that. It's just to show that you are more comfortable in the environment, that you are relaxed in whatever environment you're in. Because body language speaks in a way where if I'm tightened up, then I start to get, even just being in the act of doing this makes me feel anxious, makes me feel afraid, unconfident. But as soon as I open up my shoulder, kind of just relax, pretend I'm laying out in the sun, just like this, even inside my own house, I feel more confident. I feel like I can talk to this camera for hours and just like have a good time. So opening up yourself expands your energy and expands other people to consume or to be a part of that energy. And that's what you allow them to do. It's not to just be the biggest guy and just puff your chest out like I said earlier. No, it's not that. It's just to be relaxed with who you are inside and who you are on the outside and being comfortable in your environment. Calmness, comfort in your own environment is extremely powerful for your body language and making you look more attractive. The last thing I want to get to in this video is talking loud. I think a lot of people get scared about talking loud or even using the full range of their voices. I don't talk like this all the time. I talk like this sometimes when I'm talking to the camera. I talk in a deeper voice sometimes. I talk in a higher voice. I talk in different intonations. Don't be afraid of using your entire range of emotions or voices or sounds. You have a voice. It's basically a musical instrument and you can play it however you want to. You're not going to talk to a person you're pursuing romantically the same way you're going to talk to your grandma after she makes you dinner. You're not going to say, "Oh, thanks, Nana, this was great." No, you're going to talk to them in like a low, slow voice and you're going to say something sexy maybe, whatever it might be, but you're not going to talk the same way. So get comfortable talking in different ranges, and that's when you're really allowing your authentic self to show out. And that is what body language is all about. And having confident, sexy, charismatic body language is being comfortable in your own skin, showing that to the world, and talking freely, listening, making great eye contact, and being happy and optimistic for where you are at. So that was a lot in that video, but I think it's going to be really useful for you. So if you can get any lessons from them, or if you got any other add-ons, put them in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one. Always remember to rep the set, and good luck out there.